56 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This particular one, 2007 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible, 3LT, Z51 package, and best of all, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed actual miles, a little over 43,000 is all in this one. And it's a well taken care of car, and it shows. You consider that these were pushing 70,000 new, equipped like this back in 07. Now you can buy one for fractions of that. It's a lot of bang for the buck. Take a look at this front fascia and the condition of it. It's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Velocity yellow was actually an upcharged tri-coat paint. Ebony interior, power top, 6-liter LS2 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, 6-speed paddle shift. You can see that paint shows well. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Also has the optional chrome aluminum wheels, and you can see the drilled rotors behind that, part of that Z51 package. Look up and down the passenger side of this car, too. You can tell it has been babied. It's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Again, you can see paint shows well. Of course, leather bucket seats, power seats, both sides. This also has the magnetic selective ride control. If you take a look at the center console, you're also going to see the AM, FM, CD with navigation radio system. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, dual exhaust from front to rear. Once again, you can see this paint, nice shine to it. Not full of imperfections. Once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Take a look at the underside of this car and how clean it is. Engine bay, trunk area. You'll be able to see it with the top up, top down. It does have a black fabric top, and I'm going to show you how that works here in just a bit. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. But first, let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like Corvettes, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. We've gotten in pretty much one from every generation, and multiple from certain generations, from the C5s, 6s, 7s, 8s. Once again, driver's side, not full of nicks, dings, scratches either. Great car for touring with, your local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Let's go ahead and check this interior out a little closer. Of course, your monitored amenities, so you're going to have your memory seating, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, Bose stereo system. I mentioned dual power seats. And look at the condition of the seats, too. Nice condition. Tilt column. Mentioned the paddle shift earlier. Driver's information center. Heads-up display. So this car is very nicely equipped. Like I said, brand new. This thing would have been pushing 70,000. I believe it was 67 or so. Some odd dollars on the window sticker. You can see that window sticker in with still pictures. It's fired up. Heads-up display working. Get a little bit of glare there. It's going to be tough to see it with those lights on, but heads-up display is working. There's your exact miles, 43,381. A lot of miles left on this car to give. No check engines, lights, service engine, anything like that. Just the seatbelt indicator is flashing since I don't have that on. Stereo system. Electronic dual climate control. And this, it looks like it's flashing. It is not a person. That's due to the phase of the video. We're doing that. Heated seats both sides. Dash looks good. Nothing crazy as far as the exhaust goes. Let's slip around to the back seat. Here at Run, let's take a peek at the engine bay too. Beautiful car. Sounds good. All right. Look at that hood liner, how clean that is. Definitely not been driven in inclement weather. And look at this engine bay. Wow. Also clean. And again, 6-liter LS2 power. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Does have a new battery. Brakes are also like new. This car, get in it, turn the key, and drive it. It's ready to roll. All right, I'm gonna close up this hood, get the tripod set up. Let's check out this convertible top. I'll show you going up, check out the condition. We'll put it back down, and then remember, stick around to the very end. Jason's gonna take it for a drive. Pretty slick, huh? You gotta like that power top. Push the button. All right, nice tight fit above the windshield. Black cloth. I rolled up the side glass. Nice fit there. No surprises on this top. Glass rear window. Rear defog. Around to the passenger side. So no rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all. I mean, it's what you'd expect with this kind of miles. Well taken care of, clean Carfax. And I'll show you it going back down. And then Jason's gonna take it for a drive, 2007. Chevrolet Corvette convertible. 3LT Z51, so nicely equipped. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Phone number 507-386-1726. Clean Carfax. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Let's check out that top going down.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a bright yellow 2007 Chevrolet Corvette convertible with a power top, and we do have the top up today. This is an automatic right here on the center console. Everything is automatic, easy for anybody to use. Just get in the car, push the pedals, and go fast. Very nice acceleration and throttle sound to this car. Our temperature 190, the oil pressure over 40, battery charging over 14 volts, fuel is almost full, speedometer and tachometer working as they should. I have a heads-up display giving me the speed and the tachometer right up in the windshield. Multi-position power driver's seat. It's set perfectly for me. I'm 6'1" and I fit very well in this car. Even on a really cold winter day. I think our high is 0 today. There's not much wind noise at all, even with this convertible top. And as you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles, so we can do these driving videos for you. Brakes work very well. And it's a late Corvette. It's gonna corner amazing. I can tell you right now. And yes, it corners very flat. And very well. And then accelerate as fast as you want. Very fun car to drive. One of the best bang for your buck Corvettes, I think, that you're gonna find is this generation at this time. Lots of performance. Take a look at all the pictures over at uniqueclassiccars.com.